as you can see in this question, it is asked at a time t0, car X traveling with the V0 passes car Y. Okay, so car X at time equal to 0 is moving with a constant velocity, as you can see. It is V0, and it has passed car Y, which is just starting to move. Now car Y at t0, t is equal to 0, just started moving. That means from initial velocity 0, it is started moving, or it has started accelerating. Okay. Both the cars then travel on two parallel lines. So both the cars X and Y are moving in a parallel line, whereas the car X is ahead, because at time equal to 0, car is it is mentioned here, car X traveling with the v0 speed passes Y. So it's already ahead, moving with a constant velocity v0, and car Y from u is equal to 0, it has started accelerating. Okay, so for this, the equation will be 0 plus 8t. Okay, this is how it will move because it is accelerating. Both cars traveling on a parallel lines of the same straight road. Okay, the graphs of v versus t time for both the cars are shown above. Which of the following is true for t to equal to 20? So here at this point, which is correct? Okay, so this graph is showing that the car X is ahead and it is moving with a constant velocity with time. Okay, when t equal to 0, car X is ahead and it is moving with a constant velocity v equal to 0. Now, at t equal to 0, car Y just started moving from 0 to it started accelerating. So at t equal to 20, as you can see, this car Y is intersecting car X at this point. That means at t equal to 20, it has just gained the velocity equal to v0, or it has just, this car Y just matched the velocity of car X. Okay, but it has not passed yet. This intersection does not mean it has passed the car Y. Okay, it has not passed the car Y, it has just matched the velocity of car X. Sorry, this car Y does not pass the car X. Instead, it has just matched the velocity of car X. Why? Because it is velocity versus time graph, not displacement versus time graph. If it was displacement versus time graph, we were sure that it would have just crossed the car X. Okay. So which of the following is correct? Car Y is behind car X. Yeah. Car Y is still behind car X. It has just gained the velocity equal to car X. And since it is accelerating now, the velocity will increase at some point of time. The car Y is going to pass car X. Okay. Because it is accelerating. So this is the answer. Option number A is the correct answer.